All right, everybody, welcome back to another Drone Champs video. We are here once again to help you advance your drone career or drone knowledge base. So today, especially right after Christmas, a lot of you got the drones for your presents and things like that. Parents were asking us left and right, what drone should I buy for my kid? What's a good drone to buy for my kid? And we got one right here. This is a Q9s. You can Amazon. It's a very good drone. It's got lights on it. Kids love it when it flies around. So we're going to open box and fly this today and review it. So that way you can get a little bit of knowledge before you purchase the drone and don't end up with egg on your face, and make sure that your kids and family members are happy and that you're the hero come Christmas. So let's get on to our next segment, and we're going to open box this thing, all right? Okay, and we're back. And as you can see, we got the drone here. So we're going to, there it is. We're going to take off that tape right there. Oops. I'm excited. I'm just like a kid on Christmas. Give me this thing. I want to get this thing out here and fly it. So here we go. I don't think the review on the box is that it's put away very nicely. So it's going to come in this foam package, full 9 yards. Flip it over. There's our drone. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Got kind of that slick look to it. Kind of like a racer look. Almost like a, go speed racer type of deal. And it's going to come in here with some extra batteries and props and a charger. So here we go. So, even a little screwdriver, some screws, it looks like you're going to get, and a charger right here. And I'm going to bet the battery is under here in there. It didn't come with an extra battery. Oh, actually, let's see here. Oh, never mind. Here's the battery right here. And it's kind of the bigger battery here. It's a 500 mAh. I believe these are nickel. And they are special. So it's got that special male end on it. And then it's going to go into the female like that. So, yeah, you're going to get a drone. You're going to get 2 charger cords. Here's the controller. I'm going to guess this is going to take some AA or AAA batteries. So that's why they give you the little screwdriver there. So just one screw. Pop it up. And, yeah, it looks like we need some AAA batteries. 3 AAA batteries is what it's going to take to play today. And we'll figure out what all this stuff is. This is like a little thing coming off the top here, but we'll find out what that means. You got your controller. It's kind of like an Xbox setup. Xbox 2. If you're an oldie but a goodie like me, you know what that's all about. We're not playing Halo. We're playing drones today. We're doing drones. So again, here you go. This is the Q9s by Avalogic. Avalogic, A-V-A-L, Logic. Okay, and now we're gonna put the battery in here, and we're gonna put the batteries in there, and we're gonna get this thing flying. So we'll see you on the next segment. All right, and we're back. So now we got the batteries. We got the battery in here. We got our AAA batteries in there. So our power button's on the top. The orientation, a little thing here is there's a little blue arrow right here. So that's going to tell you which way is forward. So to turn this on, the little power button's on the top, and you're going to double tap it just like a normal drone, tap and hold. And then here comes the lights. So now it's going to blink like that because your controller's not turned on yet. So you got to double tap and hold your controller. It's going to sound. Now you're connected. So when it goes solid, now it's connected to your controller. And it has a takeoff button right here. Has a light button at the bottom here, so you can switch lights and do all different types of sequences. And then this here is going to allow you to rotate. This here is a 360 calibration. And same thing down here. So it has all these different little options that you can do. It has a stop button to get you to stop if you want to stop right away. So what we're going to do is we're going to fly this right now, right over here, right in our shop here at Drone Champs, and we're going to get you a good video of that. So hold tight. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we got the drone down here. I got the controller. So we're going to do a test flight to see how it flies and see how it goes. So here we go. And it's up. That's just with the one button. And boy, really smooth, actually, to be honest. Oh, it's floating up on its own there, but not too bad. Good control. I do like the power that it has over the smaller little drones I've had. So let's whip it around a little bit. Ooh, hey, there we go. Got some nice turning going. It's very responsive. I do like the lights because I know where I'm at. And kind of directional, so blue is the front and green is the back. But yeah, it's got some speed to it if you really want it to. But you know what? A really good beginner drone. But see, it's going to float up like that. That's pretty common, to be honest, with these types of drones because they're not the best in the world. So you have to constantly adjust a little bit. See, I'm letting go right now and see how it's just floating and doing its own thing because it's just the way it goes with these drones. You know, you get what you pay for in life, right? But yeah, this is what it is. And you know what? I'm actually pretty impressed with it. For drones that I've flown before, I'm actually pretty impressed with the drone. And there we are. So there's our review of the Q9s. Pretty good drone. Starter drone, really great. I mean, for $40 that you're going to get off of Amazon or some other website, it's definitely something to buy for your first drone. It's got the prop guards on it, but they don't cover the top, so you still got to be a little careful. But it does have power, and what I like about the power is it allows you to control the drone and keep it aloft. With some of these little ones, they'll just kind of like go off on their own and kind of won't stop. Where this one, it's got the power, and you can kind of really whip it around. So for this one, I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. I do recommend purchasing this for a child or maybe your first drone if you've never flown one before. But you're going to want to fly this indoors. Do not take it outdoors. It doesn't have the power to handle it. I mean, if it's zero wind, you have no wind out there, then it should be okay. But these motors do not have the power to fight really any 3-4 mile an hour wind. They're just going to float off. So again, I'm Kent Nerhus from Drone Champs. This is our review, and we hope to see you on the next flight.